And nicely bowled. A little bit of extra bounce. Sri, did the pitch report anything there for the fast bowlers? Shot straight down the ground. Will it go all the way? Good effort by Sachin Baby, but couldn't stop that. A nice straight drive. A feeder outs for Ahmed Imran. 19 and 3. That's gone. That is gone. Eden Apple Tom giving width, and if you bowl them, the kind of form he is in, Imran will launch at you. Nice shot. Very nice shot this from Imran. The field was set. It's too full, but that was a quality cover drive. Another feeder house for height. Lot of height. Vishnu Vinod calls for it. And he takes it easily. Good bowling this from Eden Apple Tom.
And that's what they talk about Eden Apple Tom. May be expensive, but it'll get you wickets. And that's what the sailors needed at this point of time. Anand Krishnan.
Has he got him? Yes, he has. Big moment in this game. Ahmed Imran, the man in form, has succumbed to Sharafuddin at mid-on.
A little bit of moisture means that the ball will stop on the batter, and that's exactly what happened. He holed out an easy catch to mid-on, and the man...
As we say that, he's bowled one down the leg side, and Sean Rogers just gets bat to ball and hands himself to a feed out spot. Fuller ball, nicely played through the onside. Will he get a boundary? A big chase, and it will be a boundary. Too full and onto the pads, and Sean Rogers is too good a player. Shot. Beautiful shot. That's a lovely straight drive from Sean Rogers.
Been able to get a look in. Once again, stayed beside the line this time. Just standing tall with that bounce. And a nicely steered pass point. Pumped him, really not in control, but the pace of Sharafuddin just carrying it over the boundary rope.
Nicely cut away, and that races away for a 4. Good start to the over, and a welcome as well to Vijay with the boundary. He's got a good hold of this one, and that'll go the distance. After 13 deliveries, they find a home run. It's come at just the right time from the batter, Sean Rogers.
As always, taken as a wicket-taking option, and is there one? Trying to reverse hit here. Varun Naina just got stuck in that inning.
Got lucky. This time it may have just got some part of the bat and then just ricocheted off his body. But look at that.
With the overs. The first ball after resumption. And he pulls it. And he gets a 6. A brilliant start after the break for the Fitness Tissue Titans, and whacked into the stands by A.K. Arjun.
Shot from the left-hander. Picked up length. Perfectly placed. He's been in terrific form. A.K. Arjun, good striker of the ball.
Yeah, nice bat. That's a good hit. Very good hit that by Sean Rogers. Couple of sixes in the overs, and they have started.
Yeah. What have the Titans been doing in the break? Have they been hitting balls or what? They've started off with a bang here. Both batters, 6 of them.
Ghosh. And he starts off giving width. It'll go for a boundary. Not the best delivery. Slower through the air. Oh, cracked. Absolutely cracked through the cover. Shot of the day. Without any doubt. What a shot. Good hit. Good hit. Very good hit this by A.K. Arjun. He's having a lot of fun here. Picked the slow one really well.
Striker of the ball. Doesn't hold back at all. What a man to walk in when there are 3-4 overs left. He can tong.
And he gets hit a long way. Not the best delivery, but Sean Rogers
picked up in style. It was short in length. It was asking to be hit. And really well put away by
Sean Rogers. And that's been a fantastic half century from Sean Rogers. He's really playing a wonderful knock. A lot of people have spoken about his promise, but he's translating that into performance. Well played, Sean Rogers.
Yeah, his first 50.
A lot of height, and this kid has talent too, with regard to hitting the ball a long way. What a hit that is from AK Arjun. Another 6 for him.
Treated that with absolute disdain. Whacked it many a mile. AK Arjun is a terrific striker of the cricket ball and he's proving his worth every bit in this title.
What a hit. What a hit that is absolutely creamed into the stands. AK Arjun. Oh, we haven't had no balls for a while, but it's back again. And that's got to be a free hit now. Fuller delivery, cream to the outside. This is brilliant batting. He's shown. Oh, is there a run out in the bowler's end? Oh, has he come back? Umpire has given him out, sacrificing a wicket. Sean Rogers.
He wanted the strike, didn't he, for the last ball? Big swing and a miss for AK Arjun. There was a shy at the stumps at the striker's end. Sean Roger had backed up too far.
This guy has just played a sensational knock. AK Arjun's ball striking ability has just been absolutely magnificent. He's finished his innings off with a 6.
AK Arjun just faced 14 balls but hit 6 sixes. That's terrific. We all thought he's a leg side hitter, but he also...
The last 5 overs, they fetched 79 runs. What a knock from AK Arjun. 44 of just 14 deliveries. Sean Roger played really well for Tom was good. So was Sharafuddin. Picked up a wicket piece. 6.67 was Sharafuddin's economy rate. But Ajay Ghosh being very expensive.
Yeah, you give it some air, you'll purchase some turn. He skied that. This should be a soft dismissal. It's been taken. Arjuna strikes in his first over. The danger man, Vishnu Vinod, walks back without troubling the scorers.
Entire team of that finesse Thrissur Titans, because that means the end of the dangerous Vishnu Vinod. Some more grip and hold. Fan of his all-rounder capabilities. Once again, looking to go down square leg. Imran, who took that first catch, just tried to take.
But it just couldn't complete. Yeah, the ball almost getting big on Sachin Baby. Yeah, got that swivel out, and Ahmed Imran knew he had to bring it back into play. That was his plan.
This is much better by Sachin Baby. Tried to go for the pace-off option. No real grip on this pitch.
And this was full, and he just went down the ground. Complete follow-through of the bat. No half measures there. Flicks it, and flicks it to perfection as well. Sachin Baby is certainly in his zone this evening.
Baby, not a bad ball really. Just whipped it at bottom end of his coming into use, and the angles that he creates, just wonderful.
He's played. Yeah, that's in the gap. That'll go away for a 4. Was not quite in control of it, but lucky enough for the batter, it was between mid-on and mid-wicket. He's miscued this one. Fielder getting underneath, backpedaling, and that's been pouched. Aditya strikes. Abhishek has to depart. The celebration comes out, and the finished Thrissur Titans are right on top in this contest.
Hanging it short of length once again into the body of Abhishek Nair. No real room for that swivel pull. And neatly snapped up there by Girish. Keep the momentum arrested with them. This time, what a swing from Ashik. A huge sixer. The boundary ropes, the fence really didn't matter there, Mikhail.
There's a lot of power in all of what he does. Yeah, just brushed aside the bowler, hammered the ball into the stands. That's gone very high. Fielder coming underneath. Oh, it just goes over him. Back-to-back sixes. Some amazing hits.
Well up in this cheating score. The Kolam Sailors really didn't get the desired connection, hitting the bottom of the bat. What power and what strength does Ashik possess? Just his first match, and he's got 2 sixers inside his 3 deliveries. So against Arjuna's 2 dot balls. Tries to go deep on the onside. Poor fielding there. Just dropping short of the fielder in this rain truncated contest. And Arjunas cleans up the dangerous Ashik, the impact player, was batting on 13, tried to go for the finesse Thrissur Titans, just tossing it up, trying to heave it over the onside, losing the shape, never really got any connection or timing on that one.
Lovely timing. Superb shot off the back foot. Sachin Baby will get another boundary. And he's looked ominous tonight. And he picks up a crucial wicket. Extra bounce. He's been so impressive, Aditya Vinod. Getting the big fish. Sachin Baby departs.
Just spooning an easy catch to cover. This lad looks good. Aditya Vinod.
Catch it!
Oh, did it carry? Was there a chance? We just need to wait and see. But another dot ball. That was a sit-up. Easy catch put down. And then to make things worse, he launches it into the deep in-wicket boundary. A good shot from Rahul Sharma. He has gone a long, long way. He's a big hitter, Sharafuddin. High. Got a long, long way straight down the ground. That's a brilliant hit from Sharafuddin.
This is a big over. 14 of it, 2 sixes. And this man, Sharafuddin, is a good cricketer. He's handy with the ball. Though.
I think he's got him. Yes, an easy catch to long on. Brilliant bowling by Ishak. Really turning it on.
Just couldn't get going today. The bat turning in his hand, no timing at all. It was a straightforward catch to Aditya Vinod, who makes no mistake.
Top edge, has it gone? Yes. When he hits it, it stays hit. A big six by Sharafuddin to finish the over.
For that. And he obliges cleanly. Yeah, massive.
Yeah, he's got it with one hand. Has he got the distance? No, a smart catch by Nitish in the deep. And Ajnas just been...
Time to play himself in, had to go for the big shot. 51 required. Yeah, all he can do is hold out a catch. Good
heat.
spot.
And he goes big. A lot of height in that. Has he got the distance? Yes, he has. Could have been a better effort in the deep. But 6 for Aries Kollam Sailors.
Yeah, there was a chance for the deep mid-wicket fielder. I think maybe the effort could have been better, even if not.
Yeah, shot. Not a good delivery and gets the treatment it deserves. So back-to-back sixes.
Smash for 2 back-to-back sixes. MS Akhil is coming and just hit both balls. He's played for sixes and the equation suddenly changes to 39.
Follow up well. Straight down the ground. What a brilliant hit. 3 sixes in a row. This is unbelievable batting by MS Akhil.
This was on top of the world, picking up the wickets. But suddenly, he's been brought down back to earth. 3 sixes, and this game has turned on.
He goes for the 4th, and he gets a 4th. It's 4 in a row. Unbelievable this. 27 of 19 now.
Flighted. And keenly obliged.
He tries to go big, long off, running around in circles and wonderfully held there. Sean Roger, the man at long off. Brilliant with the bat. Another clean hit probably. No, this, yeah, Aditya, the man. He did well to take a catch early on, but here just probably wasn't aware of how far the skirting was.
Got other ideas, MS Akhil. Terrific shot again. Aditya Vinod, he's a tall man. He could have just stayed inside the line. He could have plucked it from thin air.
Yeah, now some deft touch from MS Akhil. Shot third point inside the circle. Aditya at shot third, tried his best. But such has been the impact. Slices it and slices it well. Once again getting that gap between shot third and point. Now clearly winning it And probably that'll do for the Kolam Sailors. He'll bounce once and cross the boundary. MS Akhil and Amal embrace each other, just showing their mettle, the defending champions. Things not going for them this match, but match number 17 has been MS Akhil's. The wonderful Sachin Baby continued 36 runs of just 18 deliveries. Ashik Mohammed played an impactful innings of 13. Rahul Sharma tried.
Bowlers tried hard. Ajnas was very good. 3 for 9 at one stage. Ended up with 3 for 34. Aditya Vinod was a standout. 2 for 11. Nidish expensive today.
Well, this is how match number 17 panned out. Finished Thrissur Titans after being put into bat.